The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, set to launch on January 22, 2025, represents a significant advancement in Samsung's flagship lineup. It features a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring exceptional clarity and responsiveness. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it offers configurations up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, delivering top-tier performance for demanding applications. The quad-camera setup includes a 200MP main sensor, complemented by telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, enhanced by advanced AI capabilities for superior photography. The device maintains a 5000 mAh battery with 45W wired and 25W wireless charging, ensuring sustained usage with efficient recharge times. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, it promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, offering extended software support. Design refinements include a titanium frame and rounded corners, providing a premium and ergonomic feel. Pricing in Europe is expected to start at €1,449 for the 256GB model, reflecting its high-end specifications and features.